Getting ready for school in the morning is so boring, but we know how to turn a morning routine into a funny battle. Arrange a funny prank fight with your friends. It's an excellent start of the day. We are just in the middle of our morning fights. Pajama fights is not for life, but for a bathroom. Who will be the winner in this prank war? The Shaolin monk Winkin or the red dragon redhead Blinkin? Winkin goes into the battle. There's a whole set of bedroom pranks in her arsenal. First things first, let's add some softness to the pillows. Take hollow fiber filling. Unzip a pillow and fill it with the hollow fiber filling. Zip it so that there's a little hole left. Put the pillow onto your friend's bed. Yikes! Someone's coming! Winkin strikes a ninja pose quickly, melting into the wall. Blinkin enters the bedroom and plops herself down on the bed. The only thing she dreams about is some sleep with a comfy blanket. But her treacherous friend keeps on preparing her pranks. Why does she need a strand of hair? Is it a black magic ceremony? Phew! Thank God it's not real. Take a strand of artificial hair and trim the edges lengthwise so that they look natural. Put the strand onto your friend's pillow. It matches the pillowcase a lot. But that's not the end. Now Winkin takes out ribbon for some reason. Does she want to hold Redhead hostage without letting her go to school? Tie your friend's legs carefully so that you don't wake her up. Then wrap the ribbon around her hand and fasten the other end to the shelf. Ready? Now your friend won't be able to hop out of the bed quickly. It's time for the main prank now. Start timing mechanism. Set a few alarms at 6 o'clock and place the clocks all over the bedroom, on a bedside shelf, on the bed, right near her ear. Ooh! Let the performance start! Poor Redhead! A whole choir of nasty alarms wakes her up. She hops up and finds a strand of her hair in her hand. Oh dear! Did I go bald this night? She can't move her hand. Her legs are tied up too. Blinkin somehow finds a way to turn off all the alarm clocks around her with a gracious fish-style move. Finally, she unties her hand and stretches out to get the nastiest alarm on the top shelf. I've got you! Phew! It's been a harsh wake-up. But it turns out that Blinkin's morning adventures are not over. She makes the bed, takes the unzipped pillow, and all the filling falls out. Redhead tucks it back furiously. She's obviously lost this battle. Shaolin monk Winkin gets 1 point in this round. But the red dragon redhead doesn't lag behind. She creeps into the bathroom to prepare revenge pranks. To begin with, cut off some double-sided tape. Attach a strip of tape to the toilet seat. Take off the protecting cover and close the lid. Press it down to the seat so that it sticks. You don't need to go anywhere to prepare another prank. Swap your regular toilet paper for its mini copy. Cut a small strip out of white cardboard and make a small tube out of it. Arrange toilet paper into a stack without tearing it. Measure the width of the tube and cut off the needed strip of paper. Glue the beginning of the roll to the tube and wind the mini paper around the mini tube. I put my paper miniature into the toilet paper holder. It's so tiny, it's almost invisible. I've prepared a special toothpaste with glitter for glittering teeth. Cut off the end of a toothpaste tube. Put the paste into another container. Take out the remains with a wooden stick. Add food glitter to the paste and mix it thoroughly. Put the glittering mass back into the tube. Clean the edge with a Q-tip. Wrap it with parchment paper and seal it with an iron. I put the toothpaste tube into a glass. It will wait for its turn. And finally, let's arrange a jelly trap. Add gelatin to water and cover a bathroom door handle with it. Winkin comes into the bathroom, but bewitched objects are waiting for her here. Open sesame! But the seat lid doesn't react to this spell. Now it's crystal clear. A double-sided tape spell has been cast here. Then she takes the toilet paper, but it's miraculously become 10 times smaller. It's magic! My friend is going to brush her teeth. She squeezes out the paste. But after using it, her teeth look like a unicorn's jaw. It's pink and sparkling everywhere around. It looks like toothpaste happened to be in a fairy tale land. And when she decides to leave this magical toilet world, she grabs at the jelly handle. Miracle, and that's that! Shaolin Monk Winkin has fallen for all the pranks. The score is 1-1. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. This is why it is critical not to miss a prank opportunity. I bring milk and sweets to my friend. Pour drinkable yogurt into an empty carton of milk. Redhead wants to add some milk out of the